Very good morning, students. Our today's general knowledge topic is Indian towns and historical monuments. Indian towns, architectures, monuments, and buildings. Here we have a list of Indian towns. Firstly, Mount Abu in Rajasthan. It is famous for Dilwara temples. It is center of Jain worshippers too. Adams Beach, it is a part of sand and rock bank touching at 2 points with Indian soil at two places between Mannar Peninsula and Dhanushkoti. Aga Khan Palace in Pune, where Mahatma Gandhi was kept interned with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. Kasturba died in this palace. Here are the images of Mount Abu, Adams Beach, and Aga Khan Palace. Next is Agra in Uttar Pradesh. The Taj Mahal, beautiful monument, stands near the bank of Jammu River at Agra. Indo-Pak Summit was held here on 15th of July 2001. Ajmer in Rajasthan. Pilgrim Center for the Muslims. Tomb of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti. Ajanta, located near Jalgaon in Maharashtra, is known for Buddhist cave temples which are finely ornamented with sculpture and carved with colorful paintings. Amritsar in Punjab, famous for Golden Temple. In Punjab, famous for the Golden Temple, Jallianwala Bagh tragedy took place here on 13th of April 1919. Anand, located in Gujarat, it is famous for cooperative milk dairy which produces Amul butter, milk powder, etc. Here are the images of the same. Badrinath, a place of pilgrimage for Hindus near Gangotri Glacier in Himalayan rocks. Bangalore, capital of Karnataka, Hindustan Aircraft Factory, telephone industries and machine tools. Factories are located here. Bokaro is located in Jharkhand state, known for the fourth steel plant set up in public sector with the help of USSR. Chilika, a lake on the east coast of India on the Kolkata-Chennai line, about 90 kilometers from Bhubaneswar by rail. It is an excellent place for fishing and duck shooting. Coimbatore is situated in Tamil Nadu and known for cotton industrial center. Government of India Forest College, Air Force Administrative College, etc. Here are the images of the same. Durgapur is located in West Bengal. It is famous for the steel plant set up in public sector with the help of United Kingdom. Elephanta, an island in Bombay Harbour, is famous for rock cut temples. Farakka Dam, constructed over Ganga in West Bengal, The proposed barrage is the only effective way of freeing the Hooghly of its salinity and improving Kolkata's water supply and preventing harbour Kolkata from silting. Previously, Pakistan, now Bangladesh, objected to the construction of the dam. Both the countries, however, reached an agreement over the Farakka issue in September 1977. Very good morning, students. In our previous video, we discussed about Indian towns, architectures, monuments and buildings, in which we had a list of Indian towns like Mount Abu, Adams Bridge, Aga Khan Palace, Agra, Ajmer, Ajanta, Amritsar, Anand, Badrinath, Bangalore, Bokaro, Chilka, Coimbatore, Durgapur, Elephanta and Farakka Dam. Here are the images of Durgapur, Elephanta and Farakka Dam. Sarnath, located in Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, is famous as a center of Buddhist pilgrimage in India, where Gautam Buddha delivered his first sermon after attaining enlightenment. Lothal, ancient town situated on the sea plain of former Saurashtra, Gujarat, 720 kilometers southeast to Mohenjo-daro. The excavations made here reveal the extension of Indus Valley civilization up to this and beyond. Kanpur is located on the bank of the Ganga in Uttar Pradesh. It is an industrial center known for sugar mills, cotton mills, woolen mills, soap, iron, leather, tent and hosiery factories. Here are the images of the same. Next is Jamshedpur, situated in Jharkhand, a center of iron and steel. Tata Iron and Steel Factory is located here. Hirakud, a multi-purpose project at Mahanadi in Sambalpur district of Orissa. It is the longest dam in the world. Vishakhapattanam, a big harbour on the eastern coast of Andhra Pradesh in India, is known for Hindustan Shipyards building factor. Here are the images of the same. Very good morning, students. In our previous video, we discussed about Indian towns, architectures and buildings. In this video, we will be discussing about historical monuments of India. Qutub Minar in Delhi. Qutub Minar was built by Qutubuddin Aibak in early 13th century with red sandstone. It is recognized as the tallest brick minaret in India. The unique feature of this pillar is its high corrosion resistant nature, due to which there is no sign of rust in this pillar till now. It has 4 houses. Next is the Fatehpur Sikri, Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Fatehpur Sikri was built by the great Mughal Emperor Akbar in the year 1571 to 1585 and was later established as the capital of Mughal Empire. It is made of red sandstone. It consists of beautiful palaces, halls and mosques. Some of the major historical places in Fatehpur Sikri are Buland Darwaza, Diwan Khas, Panch Mahal, Tomb of Salim Chishti. In addition to this, there are other important historical monuments in Fatehpur Sikri like the Palace of Jodhabai, Birbal Bhavan, Diwan-e-Am and Karavan Sarai. Next is the Hawaii Mahal, Jaipur in the state of Rajasthan. Hawa Mahal was built by Maharaja Savai Pratap Singh of Kachwa Rajput dynasty in 1799. It is a 5-story building which is made of pink and red sandstone. It facilitates women of the royal family to see the outside street festivals and busy city life without having to be seen by the others. There are about 953 jharokas or windows, some of which are made of wood. It has a height of 15 meter and its shape resembles the crown of Lord Krishna. This historical monument of India is often referred to as the Palace of Winds. Next is the India Gate. India Gate is located in Rajpath, New Delhi. It is a war memorial which was built to honor 82,000 soldiers of the Indian Army who sacrificed their lives during the World War I between 1914 to 1921. It was built with yellow and red sandstone and granite by an architect, Sir Edwin. It is 42 meter in height and 9.1 meter in width. It has a diameter of 625 meter. Amar Jawan Jyoti is situated below the Arch of India Gate, which is dedicated to the soldiers who sacrificed their lives during Indo-Pakistan War of 1971. Very good morning students. In our previous video, we discussed about few of the historical monuments. Now in this video, we will be discussing about few more historical monuments in India. Mysore Palace in Karnataka. Mysore Palace, also known as the Amba Vilas Palace, is a royal palace of the rulers of Mysore city. Yaduraya Wodeyar and Krishnaraya Wodeyar IV. It was built during the 14th century and has an Indo-Saracenic architectural site. The palace has 2 darbar halls and an array of courtyards, gardens and buildings. It is incorporated with the Hindu, Muslim, Rajput and Gothic style of architecture. It was rebuilt after the former wooden palace was destroyed by the fire in the year 1897. During a royal wedding, the 3-storied building of the palace stretches across a length of 245 feet and 156 feet in breadth. It is a fine grey granite building with deep pink marble dome and has 3 entrances: east, west, south gate. Next is the Victoria Memorial in Kolkata in the state of West Bengal. Victoria Memorial was conceptualized by Lord Curzon, the Viceroy of India. It was built between 1906 to 1921 and is situated on the banks of the Hooghly River. It was built to commemorate the Queen Victoria and it is made of the white marble. Is the most popular tourist destination of the East India. It was designed in Indo-Saracenic architectural style. It consists of a remarkable collection of paintings, artifacts, weapons, books, statues, etc. Gateway of India in Mumbai, the state of Maharashtra. The Gateway of India is a monument built during the 20th century. It is famous for the Indo-Saracenic style of architecture. The main objective behind the construction of the Gateway of India was to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary to Bombay. It was designed by an architect, George Whitted. The central dome has a diameter of 48 feet and it has a height of 83 feet. The monument is made up of yellow basalt and is known as the Taj Mahal of Mumbai. Later on, the statues of Chhatrapati Shivaji and Swami Vivekananda were also installed at the gateway. Sanchi Stupa, Madhya Pradesh. The Sanchi Stupa was built by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka in the 3rd century. It has a remarkable collection of Buddhist art and architecture. It consists of 4 gateways facing towards all 4 directions. The Sanchi Stupa is a huge semicircular dome-shaped chamber in which the relics of Lord Buddha are kept. Thank you.